Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show 3 different to-use Xender to transfer photos, videos, and other documents between iPhone, Android, Mac, or PC. So let's watch the video till the end. In the first, I will show how to transfer files from iPhone to iPhone. You must ensure the Xender app is installed on both your iPhone devices. If not downloaded, then launch the App Store to download and install the Xender app from the link given in the video description. Also, it would help if you connected both of your iPhone models to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep your iPhone unlocked and follow the steps to perform on-screen video. Now, you have to launch the Xender app on both iPhone models. Tap on the green transfer icon on both iPhones. Suppose you want to send data from one iPhone to another iPhone, so tap the Send button on the first iPhone. Simultaneously, hit the Receive button on the second iPhone. Now, tap the iPhone name to install a wireless connection between Apple devices. If you fail to connect, then delete the Xender app from both iPhones and reinstall it from the App Store. After that, select the image or video and tap the Send button on the Xender app at the bottom. You will see the image transfer within a few moments. To check the image, tap the Photos section to see the transferred image. That's it. Secondly, I will show how to transfer files from iPhone to Android. To transfer the files, make sure you have downloaded the Xender app on your iPhone and Android devices. Then, launch the Xender app on iPhone and Android devices. On your Android device, if you are using the Xender app for the first time, the app will ask you to allow access to all your files to find your photos, videos, documents, and more. Tap on the Allow option. Then, turn on the toggle beside Allow Access to manage all files. Launch the Xender app on your iPhone and Android phone. Then, on your iPhone, tap on the Me section from the bottom right corner. You will see multiple options on the next screen. Tap on Connect Android. The scanner screen will appear on your iPhone screen. Now, on your Android mobile, tap on the Send option, and again tap on Turn off Bluetooth to see the QR code on your Android mobile. Scan the QR code on your Android device through your iPhone. You will see a pop that asks you to join a Wi-Fi network. Tap on the Join option. It will take time to connect your Android mobile's personal hotspot to your iPhone. Select the image or document file you want to share from an iPhone and tap the Send button. You will receive the transferred image on your Android device. That's it. To transfer data from Android to iPhone, select the image or document and tap the Send button. That's it. You will receive an image from Android to iPhone. To connect your iPhone to another device, you need to disconnect the connection. So, tap on the cross icon at the bottom right corner of your iPhone. Then, tap on Disconnect. That's it. Finally, let's see how to transfer files from iPhone to Mac or Windows PC. Launch the Xender app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Me section from the bottom right corner. You will see multiple options on the next screen. Tap on Connect PC. You will see the web address on your iPhone. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac computer. Then, enter the address mentioned on your iPhone. For Windows PC, open any browser and enter the address mentioned on your iPhone. You will receive a pop-up message on your Mac or Windows PC to accept permission on your iPhone to accept the permission to request a connection. Tap on the Accept option. Then your devices will connect. On your Mac or Windows PC, you will see all the data of your iPhone, such as home, images, videos, music, and documents. Click the Images folder and select one of the images to send. Then tap on the Download icon. You will see a pop-up message in the website section that asks you to allow download. Click the Allow option. In the same way, if you want to share or transfer data from Mac or Windows to iPhone, you need to click the Upload Image button at the top left corner. Then click on the Downloads folder and select the file or image. Now, click the Upload button. That's it. To connect your iPhone to another device, you need to disconnect the connection. So, tap on the cross icon at the bottom right corner of your iPhone. Then tap on Disconnect. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.